Montgomery.
He gets a few good ones in there. You see it doing it?
Yeah, it's recording.
Just snowing. I'm just snoring. The blue one and the green one. You get some good ones in there every once in a while.
Oh, it's recording. I got him. The lights.
That'd be quick.
I'll wait till he sees it on YouTube. If I can hold steady.
Yeah, that's the hardest part, is getting the lights and having it come in.
But they're blinking.
He stopped and they went all blue for a minute. That was a good one.
Tracy snoring.
See how
Ocean activated lights with a snore.
See how they almost all go blue and then they start up again when he snores?